Hi, my name is Sandy Green. I'm a band and orchestra director at 4 elementary schools in Colorado Springs with the Colorado Springs School District 11 School District. The most influential person in my life, I have several people that have been positive and good influences throughout my life, but probably the most influential was my college band director. His name was Dr. Ron Crocker, and he modeled positive and democratic or inclusive leadership, but still had the ability to lead with authority. And he created a fun learning environment while still expecting excellence within the group and excellence for the performances of all performances that we did. The result of my personality test, I scored highest with a 97 on conscientiousness. The next highest was emotional stability with a 78, and then 71 for agreeableness, 67 for extroversion, and 65 for intelligence and imagination. Do I agree or disagree with the results? Well, I'd have to say that mostly I agree. However, I feel like I'm a highly creative person because I am a musician and I've written my own music and songs. And so I'm not sure why I scored the lowest with that level, but I think mostly that it did fit my personality because I am a conscientious type person. So I think all in all it was fairly um, fairly right on. Although some areas maybe I wasn't sure why. So, which leadership theories do I most closely align to? I think I most align to the democratic leadership theory. It seems to be a good fit for me as I believe giving team members guidelines and expectations to follow are the foundation, but allowing them to give input, ideas, and innovation, giving them the freedom to be creative and giving them freedom to make decisions allows it allows them to gain empowerment. My other leadership style is transformational leadership. Another better fit for me, I believe, because I think that it creates a positive and energetic work environment while encouraging consistent and supportive affirmation. Um, I think that creates a more productive and highly um, a healthy work environment. Um, I believe that if leaders model empowerment, teachers will model empowerment, and students and parents will also embrace empowerment, making a constructive and happy learning environment. These leadership styles seem to model my personality test results as I scored high on agreeableness. I don't seem to be a task manager, but rather an encouraging manager, allowing workers to take ownership of their work and of their work ethic and innovations and ideas. So that is my introduction video, and thank you for watching, and have a good day.